My affinity for philosophy and ideology fuels my affinity for enlightenment, education, wisdom, instruction, and knowledge. This is my observation, a consequent realization from just being out there, with people, with friends for instance, or it could simply be a stranger. But people and places flaunt practical knowledge, practical experience. As John Locke once said, no man's knowledge here can go beyond his experience. A very close friend of mine is a marvelous musician. I'm probably more of a fan than a friend of his. And this might sound a tad bit selfish, but he's surely one of those who exhibit sheer brilliance, innovation, originality. So he's surely one of those with depth, who speak with emotion from a unique mind, a different, twisted mind. You see, I don't always want to know what's up. I probably want to know why a well-acclaimed theoretical physicist like Michio Kaku claims that this universe is a symphony of vibrating strings.
What is physics? Physics is nothing but the laws of harmony that you can write on vibrating strings. What is chemistry? Chemistry is nothing but the melodies you can play on interacting vibrating strings. What is the universe? The universe is a symphony of vibrating strings.
So he turned out to be a perfect candidate for my inquiry. But I don't always get a conclusive answer or interpretation after approaching such inquiries. I just have conscious thoughts. But I learn to utilize these conscious thoughts. Probably build my own ideologies. And such ideologies and philosophies fuel my affinity for enlightenment. Every student's path for enlightenment needs a vehicle. Every path to enlightenment needs a vehicle. Ideological and philosophical conversations and interactions form the key that I need to start my vehicle on my path to enlightenment. They, for very obvious reasons, constitute my inspiration. So maybe this is how I look at my objective for enlightenment. Theory-based knowledge fails to suffice me. Nobody can have conversation with books. We need living things that can talk back to us. And my affinity for philosophy and ideology fuels my very affinity for enlightenment. This is my observation, a consequent realization.